There is something extraordinary about the story of Sayyidina Umar ibn al-Khattab. Before Islam, Sayyidina Umar was not weak. He was never confused. He was never searching for an identity. He was ever so powerful, decisive, feared. In Makkah, authority meant tribe, strength, dominance, and Sayyidina Umar embodied that authority. Then one day, everything pivoted. Not because someone defeated him in debate or in a fight, not because he was emotionally overwhelmed, but because he heard in the tilawah, the recitation of the Qur'an, specifically verses from Surah Ta-Ha. Taha, we have not sent down the Qur'an to you to cause you distress. This wasn't just information. It was a rhythm. It was a certain form of cadence. It was revelation entering the heart through sound. The Quran was recited, not merely read. Why? Because sound bypasses ego. Rhythm unsettles arrogance. Beauty disarms pride. In that moment, Umar recognized something deeper than an argument. This speech is not human. And when he realized that, something seismic happened inside him. His authority shifted. Before that moment, authority sat in his tribe, a tribe of the Quraysh, in his strength, in his will. After that moment, the authority shifted. It belonged to Allah. Understand this carefully. Umar did not become any weaker. He became very much aligned. His strength did not disappear. It was redirected from ego to amana, from dominance to responsibility, from power over people to accountability before Allah. This is the pivot. And here is the real question for all of us. What sound is shaping us today? Is it the Quran? Is it our social media, the algorithms? Is it remembrance? Or is it constant distraction? Every civilization has a rhythm, a tempo. Every soul has a rhythm. And whatever rhythm you immerse yourself in will slowly claim your allegiance and will engulf you. Sayyidina Umar changed because revelation became louder than his ego. So the story is not just about conversion. It is about sovereignty. Who sits on the throne of your inner authority? Is it your culture? Is it your career? The social validation you get? Your political anger? Your personal desires? Or that throne belongs to Allah? When authority pivots to Allah, clarity follows, courage follows, justice follows, and civilization can be rebuilt. That is why this moment matters, especially now. Not because it is dramatic history, but because it is a mirror, a reflection. And the question is simple. Where does your authority sit today?